You eat them at baseball games, on planes, at parties, but nobody knows what happens before they reach your hand. Until now, every single planter's peanut starts here, in the red clay soil of Virginia, where 99% of U.S. peanuts are grown. Here's something most people don't know. Peanuts don't grow on trees. They grow underground. After digging, the plants are flipped and left in the field for 3 full days, baking in the sun to reduce moisture. Then this machine, a peanut combine, separates pods from vines at 5 acres per hour. In one single pass, it collects thousands of pounds of raw peanuts. The clock is ticking from this moment. From the farm, fully loaded trucks rush to buying stations. Peanuts must be dried within hours or they'll spoil. This is a peanut buying station, the first stop between farm and factory. This is where quality gets decided. A moisture probe tests every single load. Above 10.5% moisture? Rejected. The entire truck sent back. Approved loads go into massive curing bins. Giant fans blow heated air through the peanuts for 3 full days. Moisture drops from 25% to just 7%. This curing process is what gives planters peanuts their distinct crunch. After curing, they're loaded into sealed trailers. Destination: the planter's processing facility, where the real magic begins. Welcome to the factory. Over 1 million pounds of peanuts are processed here every single week. The moment peanuts arrive, they're dumped into receiving hoppers, massive pits that feed the entire production line. From the hopper, conveyor belts carry the peanuts deep into the factory, 200 feet of controlled movement. First stop inside, the cleaning station. Rocks, stems, dirt, and foreign material get filtered out immediately. An air classifier uses controlled wind to blow away lightweight debris. Only peanuts continue forward. Every pound passes through a metal detector. If even a microscopic piece of metal is found, the line stops instantly. Then the optical sorter. Lasers scan 400 peanuts per second, removing discolored or damaged pods. Tiny air jets fire in microseconds, blasting rejected peanuts off the line. One bad peanut, gone before you blink. Now, the sheller. This machine removes the outer shell from every single peanut without crushing the kernel inside. Inside, rubber rollers crack open shells at precisely calibrated pressure, just enough to open, never enough to damage. A vibrating screen then separates shells from kernels. The shells drop down, kernels move forward. Those shells, not wasted. They're collected and sent to biomass facilities, burned to generate electricity. What's left are raw peanut kernels, cream-colored, clean, and ready for the most important step. The kernels get sorted again, this time at kernel level. A second pass ensures only perfect peanuts continue. Next, size grading. Peanuts are separated by exact size: jumbo, large, medium, and cocktail grade. Jumbo peanuts, the biggest, most perfect kernels, go into planters' premium products. Size matters here. Now, blanching. Kernels are sent through a hot water bath at 180 degrees Fahrenheit to loosen the thin red skin. Spinning rubber rolls then rub off the skins. a process that takes exactly 8 seconds per batch. Those redskins, collected and sold, used in natural food dyes, cosmetics, and health supplements. Freshly blanched kernels enter the dryer. Moisture must be removed before roasting or oil absorption is ruined. Even after all that automation, humans check too. Trained inspectors pick out any remaining defects by hand. And now, the moment everything has been building to. The roaster. This machine changes everything. Peanuts enter the roaster at exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit, a slow, controlled heat that develops flavor over 25 minutes. Inside the oven, the Maillard reaction kicks in. Proteins and sugars combine to create that unmistakable roasted aroma. Temperature is monitored every 30 seconds. Even a 5-degree variation changes the flavor profile of the entire batch. After 25 minutes, they emerge, golden brown, perfectly roasted, and smelling exactly like the can you know. But here's what most people miss. If you don't cool roasted peanuts fast, they keep cooking. Precision cooling is critical. Powerful fans drop the temperature from 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, locking in the perfect roast. Every batch is checked with a temperature probe before moving forward. One batch too hot. It goes back. Now salting. This is where Planter's secret formula comes in. And it's not just table salt. A precise mist of peanut oil is applied first. Then a proprietary salt blend tumbles with the peanuts in the drum. Each peanut gets exactly the same coverage. The tumbling drum ensures zero peanut is under or oversalted. For honey roasted, spicy, or barbecue varieties, a second drum adds proprietary flavor coatings. Each recipe is classified. Quality control doesn't just use machines here. Trained tasters sample every single batch for flavor consistency. Salt content is tested in the lab. It must fall within 1.8% to 2.2% of peanut weight. Exact. Every time. Approved batches flow to the packaging line. This is where speed becomes almost unbelievable. This is a 32-head combination weigher. It fills each container to within 0.1 grams of the target weight. In 0.3 seconds, it calculates the best combination of 32 cups to hit the exact target weight. Pure math, pure speed. The peanuts drop, and the iconic Planters can begins to fill. 16 ounces in under 2 seconds. A double seam machine crimps the lid onto the can, creating an airtight seal that keeps freshness locked in. Before sealing, nitrogen gas flushes out oxygen. This is why peanuts stay fresh for 18 months. The glass jar line runs simultaneously. 800 jars filled, capped, and sealed per minute without stopping. Each glass jar lid is vacuum sealed. That satisfying pop when you open it, that's the vacuum releasing. Labels are applied by laser-guided robotic arms, 0 tolerance. 1 millimeter off and the container is rejected. Every container gets a production code. If a quality issue is ever found, every affected can be traced and recalled. X-ray scanners check every single can, looking for foreign objects, underfills, or damaged product inside. A checkweigher confirms exact weight after sealing. Every container must be within 0.5% of labeled weight by law. Meanwhile, the snack bag line. Over 3,000 individual snack bags filled and sealed every single hour. This machine, a vertical form fill seal, creates the bag, fills it, and seals it in one continuous motion. Every zero point 0.8 seconds, one perfect snack bag drops out, filled, sealed, weighed, and ready. Robotic case packers organize individual cans into cardboard cases, 12 or 24 units per case, packed perfectly. Cases are automatically taped sealed at 30 cases per minute. No human hands touch them at this stage. The robotic palletizer builds perfect stacks, 10 layers high, 10 cases per layer,
Okay, let's keep this line
100
moving.
cases per
Looking
pallet.
good, team.
Stretch
Quality is
wrap
excellent
locks
today.
the pallet
Another
solid.
successful batch
This
almost
pallet
done.
will survive truck
Keep an eye on
vibration,
Sector 7.
warehouse
Pressure levels are
stacking,
rising there.
and shipping stress. A QR code label is applied. Every pallet can be tracked from this factory to the exact store shelf it lands on. A forklift moves the finished pallet into the distribution warehouse, temperature controlled at all times. At full production, this warehouse holds 50 million individual cans at any given time, an ocean of peanuts. A warehouse management system tracks every